this is always an issue. You gotta go deliver it to the customer and talk about clearance. Nah, we're good. I just gotta straighten it out a little bit and she should be good to just roll right up. And yeah, boys and girls, she's running. The customer has no idea, bro. We're about to go deliver it to him. Yeah, look at my little recording thing. We'll upgrade one day, guys, but hey, there's that girl coming soon to a track near you or a street near you. Nah, Turbo Kit's coming on next on that. But we're good, we're live. Let's get this up on the trailer and let's run across Florida real quick. Drop it off and pick up his brother's 300ZX. There you go, she's all loaded up, everything cleared. Intercooler, piping, everything cleared. All strapped up and ready to go. Now for this 3-hour hike across Florida to go deliver this car. Hope he's excited when he sees it runs. Well, I stopped midway, like Orlando, to get some fuel. And yeah, we're almost there, guys, so.
Por fin llegó la baby de Stevo.
Are you ready?
Sí, que hay que levantarlo bien para que no se vaya. ¿Mm?
Are you ready?
Espérame.
There you go, sir. Oh my God.
Stevo.
All right, guys, welcome back. Here we are. There's Stevo. His brother's in the garage. Yeah, there it is, guys. The Maxima. We came off the trailer. Here she sits at her house. Back on the other side of Florida. All we got left now, hopefully, is just upgrades. All right, now we're loading up the 300ZX. This is NAT, original NA, but now it's twin turbo. Just got to bring it back home, finish it up. Mainly the harness and some exhaust work, and we should be good to start. So check y'all later.